Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 6. Complete the task. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all apps, scroll to explore all the applications. Now go to Planner, click on the plan, which is Computer Science Videos. And now what we can do is create a task. CSV, set a due date. Let's just say for tomorrow. Assign this to myself, admin, add the task, and now the task itself has been completed. In order for us to complete this task, what we can do is we can click on that circle, which then gives us a tick sign, or we can click on the whole task itself and then go to the top, click on the circle with a tick, which would mark this task as complete. And the task now has been completed. If we click on completed tasks, we have two tasks that we have completed in this tutorial. I completed the CSV task. Before that, I completed create a video, so we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.